Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be sitting down and filming again. I'm just sitting here drinking some coffee. This is going to be a tutorial on this look that Lily Collins wore last year to the I don't know, maybe it was the Golden Globes, but anyways, it is award season, so I figured let's do a red carpet look, you know, and I'm obsessed with this look, so let's get started, you guys. I'm going to start with my brows, and Lily Collins has really big extra brows, so I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. Yeah, this is medium brown, and we're just going to make these brows dark and big. Let's get started. Now we're going to go in and set the brows, and I'm going to be taking this clear brow gel from Monkey. I've used this in a few of my past videos and it's like $1 and I'm obsessed with it. So what I'm doing is I'm going to feather these. So just brush up, and that is going to create the more full look. And you can also take it from the front and kind of pull forward like that as well. Once you do this, I kind of like to just go back in and tame anything. So maybe like these shouldn't be too high, because she has these really like beautiful brows that are just so really making a statement. So that is how I've shaped the brows today. We are going to go in and prep the eyelids to get ready to put on our eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer to just prep and prime those eyelids so that we can get this look going. And then I'm going to go in and set that with some setting powder, and I am using the Youngblood Mineral Rice setting powder in the shade Light. Okay. So now we have our eyelids set, and we are going to start doing some eyeshadow. So today for eyeshadow, it was a really mauve-y color, like a mix of pink and purple, like this really popular shade. I'm just using this pink shade, this matte pink shade. And you can add more if you want. This is just going to be really helpful. Once we start to blend in that other color, you're going to want something extra there. So now that we've done that, we are going to take a mix of this shade here. This is a Kylie Cosmetics shade. It came in her Valentine's Day collection. And then the last shade we used, the transition shade. So start slow, and then we can add and build up to the color. So that is pretty much how we're going to keep it. I'm going to add a little bit more of this light pink shade on top, just to blend anything out. I don't want it too intense in any area. I am going to curl my lashes and tightline my eyelids. So the lashes are curled. Let's get into this tightline, and I am just using this CoverGirl brown pencil. So we're just putting this brown pencil up into that lash line. I am going to be going in with this Dr. Jart Cicapair, and I'm just going in with a flat paddle brush to apply this. And what I'm doing is I'm actually not going to put foundation all over my face. So I wanted to put this on first as a base. So I'm just putting this on first to calm down the redness and, you know, even out the skin. So now we are going to go in with this Dr. Jart Beauty Balm. And I love this because it's pretty covering. So I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm actually going to take that little brush that I used to put concealer on my eyelids. And I'm just going to dab some here, take another small dab here. This really stretches. Like I've been using this for I don't know, like a year, and I still have quite a bit left, I feel like. We're just gonna take a sponge and blend this out. I'm actually going to take some more of this and focus it under the eyes instead of doing concealer today, because I feel like this works just as well as concealer, so why not? So I'm just going to, and then I'm just going to take this concealer brush that I have to pat it out, and then I'm going to do small circular motions to blend, and then I'm blending down the cheek as well so that it stays pretty natural. Now I'm going to go in with this setting powder again because I need to set those under eyes before they start to crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take this small, it's called an eye crease brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to start working on this bottom. And once again, I'm just going to pat into that Kylie Cosmetics shade, and I'm just going to take this sheer pink one more time. You definitely don't want to make this too heavy under here. You just want to connect it. Simply connect. Like I said before, if you feel like it is too harsh there, just get a brush and blend that out because you don't want anything too harsh right there. I'm just taking this brush. This is I think this is a small taper brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going into that Youngbloods powder, and I'm just, you know, tapping where I want it to be set. And the thing about this look is we're actually not going to use any highlighter today because I felt like the look was very matte. Anyways, so we're going to go in with this blush now. This is the one from Milani. And we are just going to, you know, brighten up these cheeks a little bit. Make them a little bit rosy. I'm going to put some mascara on, and I am going to use this Thick and Fast High Definition Collagen Coat Mascara from Soap and Glory. And we are just going to do a normal coat on the lashes. We're just taking this and coating the lashes. It's not going to be anything too intense. The final part to this look is the sultry red lips. So I am going in with 2 different reds today. I'm taking this by Marc Jacob. So I'm going to take this on the outer parts of the lips, and then on the inner part of the lip we're going to put a brighter red to give it just a tiny bit of dimension. So you're going to kind of do something like that, and then we're going to put that brighter shade in the middle. Okay. You could just finish it like this if you wanted, you know. Stop whenever you want. That's the thing. Makeup has no rules. If you want to walk outside wearing this, do it. It doesn't matter. Now I'm going to go in with this shade from Essence. This is the matte from the Matte collection. This is shade 05, and I'm just applying this one to the center of and as you can see, that created some more dimension to the lips. So that is actually the finished look. You know, it's pretty simple. I just really enjoyed doing this look because it just looked so easy and so effortless and so pretty. Do you think it looks similar? I think I did a pretty good job at recreating this. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, you can always subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more red carpet looks, I plan on doing some. You know, the Oscars are coming up, so I just try to like grab inspiration from anywhere, so I just wanted to do this look today, and I love Lily Collins, so this was a really fun look for me to do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.